I'm going to talk about the snowstorm is coming, and this like snow showers and squalls and freezing rain, and rain is gonna form, and it's gonna be like snowstorm right here, heavy snow, and then rain here, heavy rain, not heavy rain, like near heavy rain. This this is the actual snowstorm, and snow forming right here, and and snow right here, snowstorm, and low pressure forms, and rain forms and heat rain, and come and join together, and heating rain, and snow, heavy snow, maybe blizzard, snowstorm, and freezing rain, snow, storm, blizzard. So there's going to be a lot of severe weather, no long severe weather. And severe times only here before it's here, and severe times only here. And the storm is gonna go away. And this is not a low bit, not a storm. And it's going to be blizzard right here.